Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Excel. In this module, I want to have a quick look at how to create an S-curve in Excel. So on the screen, you can see I've got some data across the top with some planned and actual figures, and then cumulative planned and cumulative actual. And then the graph there, you can see the two lines are the cumulative planned and actual lines, and the bars themselves represent planned and actual figures. So how have I created this? Let's go into a second sheet, and I've already got this set out. So basically, let's have some planned spend. So if I say I plan to spend 500, 550 all the way across there, I'll just pull that over to the end. That's my planned spend. I'll just drop this down, make it into pounds, and then I'd need some actual figures. So let's say I spent 600 and 600 and 600 and then 700, and let's just go up by 100 on that one, so it slightly goes above. Just highlight the whole lot and double click to widen the lines. Now the cumulative planned, so this is the planned, is just basically going to be let's equals that, and the next one is going to be equals that plus this. So I just need to pull that one across to the end, so that's just going to add these up all the way across, and then I'll just highlight the whole sheet, double click to get rid of the hashes so you can see the total at the end there. Just drop the font down so it all sits on one page, a bit more than that. There we go, so I can put it back up. Okay, so the cumulative actual is going to look at this one, so it's going to be equals that. Tick that one off, and then this is going to be the same, equals that plus this. 1200, and then I should be able to pull that across to that point there, just widen those up. So that's basically how you create the data lines for this graph, and then we need to highlight all of this, create a column chart to start with. In fact, I could just go for a combo chart straight off. I will do combo chart, this one. And then I need to make this graph quite a lot bigger than it is, like so. Now here are your cumulative lines. So what I want to do here is just put these two lines onto a secondary axis, like so, and you get your graph coming up like that. Click OK. So your actual cumulative total is higher than your planned cumulative total in this example. You can see how that works there. That's because I've spent more. But if you put that, if you reduce that, if I put that down to 400 and 500 on the actual, and then just pull that across, see what happens now. So it stayed quite low there, but then it's going above it again, because this has gone above, that's gone above, that's gone above. But if I just pull this across so it stays at 600 for quite a while, you can see what the whole point of this is. These lines are just going to move up and down depending on what your actual spend is. And then if I just pull that all the way across, it reduces quite a lot, and you can see how that works. So basically that is how to create an S-curve based on some simple data in Microsoft Excel. So that's all I wanted to talk about in this little session. So hopefully you've enjoyed that, and thank you for your time.